Hello, I'd like to ask, during the process of you testing our snow chains, how do you feel it's different compared with other snow chains? And based on different test sites, how do you evaluate our snow chains?
After testing several kinds of snow chains, I found that for this DDC product, first of all, it doesn't cause any wear to the side of the tire, nor to the inside and outside of the tire. Moreover, this product is very sturdy and durable. Not only the galvanized layer and the iron layer are good quality, but also the rubber layer and all the hard plastic components are very solid. In addition, when driving on asphalt roads, there is no obvious abnormal noise or vibration. When driving on snow-covered roads, this snow chain has no negative impact on the tires and the driving experience. There is no discomfort, bumpiness, or abnormal noise.
I just observed that during the acceleration process, our tires accelerated very fast and had a strong grip.
When testing the snow chains,
on snow-covered roads, all-season tires are very likely to slip when starting, but after installing our product, the starting speed is extremely fast. It performs as well as snow tires and even outperforms them in terms of performance.